Hello everyone, very excited to show you our new update for FleetSnap Turo Earnings. As you can see, you can do by months, quarters, years, and as an example, you can start looking at your top performers or premiums but quiet, what are your top performers, what in its review, so you can like be toggling here and work with your team to adjust pricing, understand what's the best for the next month. You can also look like the dollars per mile, so we can see the Cybertruck, for instance, it has a high dollar per mile. This is important for the part of the taxes. Another part is that you have all your cars. You can, they're by the month, but what you want, you need basically. You can check all the earnings, you can check utilization. You know, this is all based on the previous months. Then you can see how is your trends going. If you're going a little bit low here, what is your average price across everything? And here is where the new update also comes, where we have created a link for your staff that they can submit expenses. So for here, I'm gonna start approving some expenses that our team just literally added. It's an example how we can keep track, and the cool part, this will be adding into the cost. So for instance, you can go back to the month and let's say look at May. Maybe this is June. Let's say June. Oh well, we don't have June yet, but it's like this is approved and it's gonna appear for June for maintenance for June. That's ideal. Ideal, and after that you will have all your cars here. We have a lot of cars. We have partners. So this is an example. The next thing you can generate statements. Again, this is just for it's like a demo account, so you can do a demo account for I don't know this person. I don't think he has. Let's see, Amanda, and then from here you can do your statement, and from there you will be able to like download it and send it to your team every month, so you can create your estimates and the splits that you want to configure. You can edit the how do you want to edit this, like you want to edit, like you can put private rentals, you can put Turo hosts, you can put the amounts. After that you have the statements as we explained, and then the cost and income. So recurring monthly, one time, fleet wide, or other income, where you can put like the privates, if we do a couple privates here and there. This is the staff submission link that we were just talking about, so you copy paste it here, and let's just, and this is, you will send to your staff, your team, and they will be able to submit everything, and they will see now what it got approved. So this is really awesome because now the accounting is really like you can recurring monthly, one time stuff tire here. And you can see when people submit our stuff, what I just did, like all the stuff, what they like submitted. So this is a real accounting, not just whatever we think we spend for month per month. And the biggest and the awesome feature that the team added that people being requesting is the integration iteration, which is also important to start doing a depreciation for us. Like let's say for May, let's just put the year, right? So basically for the year will tells us what is, it will give us some advising, like where we getting a little bit of money, where we need to pay attention, what is our top performers. So it's pretty awesome to see like how AI will give us this type of insights that in Excel is harder to see. So depreciation, you see like the difference depreciation, with like older cars versus new cars, and like we can see again Toyota 2025 $1,000 depreciation yearly. It's at 10% yearly. So it will give you your true profits, and then it kind of tells you what you're actually how's getting killed. I would say this wasn't a recall, so it makes sense. The why, we know that a Cybertruck was gonna eat it, but we do a lease, so this is key. So you can start really taking very important decisions in your accounting, And the most important is to prepare how to scale. We're going to be adding more AI analytics into this, so it's really ready for you guys to take a look, check what are your cars are bleeding, which ones are you making money, which ones you gotta replicate. So we're excited to share this with you guys. It's free. Share with other hosts. We keep adding more features here. If you have specifically something that you wanna add, let us know. We're building this together with many of you, and we're very excited to share with all the Turo host community. Thank you. I will see you in the next update.